Bugatti launched after 0.5 seconds. He reacted after half a second. Or they were basically giving Jesko a head start. This makes a huge difference in quarter-mile race. Matt Watson always jumps in drag races. He didn't do that here any reason.
Bro, there is no way. A RWD car on this dusty surface that can match a AWD car launch off the line. Chiron SS did 0 to 60 mph in 2.3 seconds. Jesko Attack did 0 to 60 mph in 3.3 seconds on Top Gear test. And it was on a much better surface than this.
Oh, come on! Come on! Come on!
This second drag race looks scripted. Or staged to me. They either tried to make the Jesko win. Or to make it a much closer drag race. Obviously for the Koenigsegg fans.
Whichever car won the drag race.
I think that's fair.
This is the thing.
So then what exactly happened? Well, it was extremely close, but the slow motion action replay reveals that the Bugatti won by the narrowest of margins. However, both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 9.6 seconds.
Come on. Oh, I think he struggled with traction and now I'm gone. I'm totally gone.
Well, Jesko was running 1280 HP while Chiron SS 1600 HP. Only if they used above 98 octane fuel otherwise. Chiron SS also makes only 1200 HP on less than 95 octane fuel EU. But you saw a clear difference between a 1280 HP and a 1600 HP car. And yes, the Jesko is still 600 kgs lighter and still got better power to weight. But still that made absolutely no difference at all. Even with 2 tons the Bugatti is extremely fast.